This is a step-by-step guide on how I created my first Gradio application using the summarized GroqModel. The first thing you want to do is to install the Swarmauri package, which is the version I used 0.4.0. After that is installed, the next thing to do is to import the important libraries like the OS library, the Gradio library, the GroqModel, the simple conversation agent, and the conversation. Next, I fetched my Groq API key. You can get yours from console.groq.com/keys. As you can see, this is the site. This is where I got my keys from, so you can get yours from here too. Moving on, the next thing I did was to initialize the GroqModel. So I fetched it from my environment variable, then I initialized the GroqModel. Next thing I did was to create a conversation agent with the GroqModel. Then next I defined the Gradio interface using this function, this converse function. Then I initialized the Gradio interface components using the code below. Then I outputted the code, I ran the code, I launched it. I launched the code. So let's run this and see what comes out. Okay, so it's created a local URL I can access from my computer, and also it's created a live URL where I can access from any computer. So let's test. Okay, so I want to ask these questions like, what is the meaning of John? What's the meaning of John? Yeah, so that's the meaning of my name. Okay, I want to ask this another question. Who created Python? Created Python? Of course, you can see the answer right there. Python is created by blah 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 blah. So this is how I created a simple web